Law of Attraction success story number 6. Hey, in today's video, you're going to hear from one of our members, Lee, that has been able to manifest a job promotion, more happiness in his life, and a lot more good into everything from his life to his business to career path and everything else. Today's video should help you increase your belief in faith. Sometimes it can be the opposite when you hear about a success story and it's like, hey, what about me? You know, you feel some sort of jealousy or envious of the person's success, but really what that does is repel us, right? If somebody's doing good up here and we're down here and we say, oh, I can never, what am I doing when I'm envious or jealous? I'm saying that person can do it, but I can't. Why is it fair that that person's there, but I'm not, right? We want to switch that and we want to raise to their level and say, if they can do it, I can do it. They're just doing the manifestation techniques and energy and different things that I'm also capable of, right? So let this success story increase your belief and faith that you can do it, belief and faith in the manifestation process, belief and faith in the laws of the universe that if it can happen for one, it can happen for many. All right. In the comments below, also send a congratulations, a good energy towards Lee, to allow yourself to, again, have the habit of whenever you see somebody's level of success, you congratulate, you feel good, and you raise to their level. You vibrate at that level of frequency. All right, so go ahead and comment that below. And then, of course, Lee is in our courses here. And if you want to get a part of that action into the course, click in the description below and you'll see where to sign up for our courses and check them out. All right, let's go right over to Lee's testimonial here and success story using the law of attraction manifestation methods and principles that you also have a gift to. Okay, it's going to really blow you away on some of the success he's been able to accomplish and really unleash in the manifestation game.
Hello, everyone. I wanted to submit this testimonial video for the Scott Hogg's Manifestation Acceleration training course. I think it's absolutely amazing, and I definitely want to do this. For me, this Manifestation Acceleration training that Scott put together, for me, has done some amazing things in my life personally. Some major accomplishments. I've increased my income. I've been able to manifest and increase my income. I've been promoted. My life has expanded tremendously. My level of awareness has increased greatly, and I have gained a greater deal of understanding of the concept about manifestation and the ideals and the methods that Scott Hogg has created and come up with is well put together. Well put together. Another thing, the reason why I love the program is I think there are a lot of other programs out there, and I think Scott has really nailed down the meat and potatoes. I say he has really nailed down the meat and potatoes and put that in his course for anybody to learn and be able to implement right away and start seeing results immediately. It has helped me tremendously. My life has expanded a great deal, and I thank you for that. Thank you, Scott Hogg, and his team for doing that. The information in the program, the opportunity to be able to communicate with other members, and also with Scott Hogg personally, is a tremendous value to have. Yeah, there are other courses out there. The Manifestation Acceleration course that Scott has is truly a game changer. And I'm very grateful that you put it together. And I study it every day. I go through it every day and I implement Scott and his team teachings through the Manifestation Acceleration. And my level of awareness continues to expand. And when that happens, you're in for some big surprises. So thank you once again. I love the program. It's a great program. If you're thinking about joining, getting the program, I recommend you do. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you don't know anything about manifestation or any of the things that Scott teaches, or if you're advanced same thing. It's good information. It's great information to learn, whether you're a beginner or whether you're advanced manifestor. The information is great to have in your tools, in your toolbox, as Scott says sometime in this program. So thank you. That's my testimonial. Sending you all love and blessings. Thank you.